style what we want, how we are adding this is. So we start with that only. So every report should give some title, new post and everything, right? So here we should go insert, here we find the text box. Just click on that. Whatever your report is there, report name, just type here, click on this box, with sales report. And once you write, it's very small. It will be as per the reports, right? Just need to select all and don't be just select that. Here you can select the font size. And which one is the one? You want bold, align, center, insert here. There are three dots. You can select that and you can clear wherever you want, you can place. Okay. So then here is the okay.
Yes, sir, understood.
Yeah. Here you can insert the image as well. Suppose sales report is there. Like company, if you are creating any companies or clients report. So most of the reports is having their logos. Like suppose this reports is for some bank. Let's take Bank of America. So this logo and all is provided by the clients on. Take which one is good, is not good. Right. Screenshot of this. Should not be the image. Same image. So see, we can go for the image. Selecting image. No, no detail of the background. Also, don't be license. Mostly people only. Just adding everything. The title also. Bank of America. See what is the this font is then. So first thing we will copy. So with this, okay, will be it. See now it's blue. What is the color of that Bank of America is blue. It's blue. The colors. Interline is not there. This one. So, again, family sales. So this is the title of the report. Okay, you can add logos, images for itself. So image, there is the text box. Okay. So this is the text box. For each of the report, we should give the name of the report. Without the name, the report is incomplete. Now we will go on to the next visual, that is line visual. So now line visual. So importance, like why we use the line graphs. Any idea? Any idea why we use graphs? We use line graph for comparison, sales of two country or two states or comparison. For comparison, we use the line graphs. So how it is working. So suppose we take the order date. Sales. Not only two lines, we can take multiple lines as well in line, this line chart. In the quantity as well. See which year, which month, how many profit was generated, how many quantity was sold, how many sales we have done. Theoretically, we can see. And as per we can format everything here. Then we go and check. Okay, 2007, the sales was 7 lakh. Now profit was 93,000. Quantity sold 12,476. And for 16, this is the amount. Consume that you can go and format the lines. Whatever the is there. The lines. Color. One everything. Okay. Close. Continue one. You can keep some. But instead of this sum says to rename what. It's not like if sum of sales profit and sales. Into your line chart. Most of the time, if you watch in cricket, so they show like Indian team line for fun 1 to 50 overs, like that, how they are doing, how then they runs, and comparing to next team, any of the teams, how they are doing, like that we can compare between two countries, two teams, like that for comparison. So where we can know like what sales are good, profit, and quantity. So we have any questions on this?
No, sir.
Okay. Here on this feature, we can show you. I will show you the one more function, which is a very important function. It's an interview question as well. So here it's a drill down and drill up in this visual, line visual, or any of the visual, which contains a date column. So here we have date, right? 14, 15, 16, 17. Here also, if you select that, it shows. But if you don't want to show this year, quarter, month, just we want to do right click here, order date. So it will show you continuous. So in Power BI, there are two, we can format the date into this. Like if you select that column and if you right click, it will take the continuous, like continuous date, whatever continuous date is there, it will show in our report, like this. One use. Okay. Whatever is 25th August, so it should be. But if you want to show like year wise, then drill down to quarter, then drill down to weeks or day. For that, what we will do, just click on this and we want hierarchy, date hierarchy. So this comes in 14, 15, 16, 17. And once you say, do that, see it again. I will write it and the continuous. So show. So here you cannot see any lines like top down or the arrows, top arrows, up arrows you cannot see. But once you right click, take hierarchy, this comes. So you to the next level hierarchy. Click on or drill down. If you click on this, you click, it will go like month, whatever the data we have, if you go drill down, you could go like this order, year, quarter, month, and day. Then you can just next level. So from quarter, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. January, February, month, April, June, this one. Okay. So we will which date is 7, 19, 10. But this overall, not for a particular year. If you want to see particular year, you can click this exact year. So order date, order date should be click hierarchy, in that select your minutes and day. No, it's 14, it's only for 14, only 14, 15, 16, 7, whatever it's showing. If you remove filter, it will show overall. But I want to see month also. Overall month wise, just we will see for 2016. So this is the 2016 graph. In GLR, quarter 1, quarter 2 of 2016. I will drill up to show only 2016, right? Because you have selected only 1 year. If you select second year, you will select control and click on in your jobs. So see, so 2016. This is very much important questions, interview questions. Like what is drill up and drill down? So drill up is for like hierarchy, it creates a hierarchy. Like year, quarter, month, and day. Either it can create for another, like state, team, country, state, city, like that. Whatever hierarchy is there, you can create like. Okay. Any questions on this? Slide. For comparison, we are creating slide chart. Then there are one more chart just there, like what if you want to see not only line, but we need to see the column chart having the line chart to see whether how the discount or whatever the measures are going year by age going or it's declining. So here we have another one, that is line and stack column chart. If we select this, what are options we get? Y-axis, column y-axis, means on y-axis column will be coming, and line axis for y-axis. How it's shown here, we can create their value. Full x-axis, suppose not order date. It should be continuous. Okay, what is that? Line just category. Mm, What's the subheading? Analysis. We do the sales. What is the quantity we have shown a particular subhead? Like, what shows for example, repeat sales. Subcategory is shares. Sum of quantity we sold is 64, 674, and sales is 95,000. Like that, we can show, one particular graphs. Entity we sold 10,000 and sales is 6,000. So this also used for comparison, like how much profit is there and how much contributes for how much quantity of profit we are getting. Like that, we have this line bar charts. And this is under the line chart to compare two measures for any of the countries or dimensions like that. Okay. Any questions on this? Next, we move to the map chart. Maps are very important in each of the reports. The maps are, let me show this map. Maps we are used to show the in overall globe where our business exists, like in which country we have our business, or what are the areas or regions we have the business we have grown, and where we are lacking there, so we can start our new business there. For that region purpose, maps can be used. So for maps, there should be a geographical dimension. Geographical dimensions means like in our table, there should be country or region, city, state, like that we should have in our table. Then only we can use to maps. Okay. So in our table, there is city is a country we have only America. Country we have only one, and city we have multiple. We just click on city. Okay. Cities there. But what we want from the cities? So we want sales, how much we have done there, and how much discount we have given, or how much profit we have earned from each of this. So what we do, we just time, but within bubbles will be there. We can replace with add bubbles and profit. Okay, with bubbles. Okay, information here, profit. Incorporating. So one is first for the profits shows country. Then we write it also. This is the profit. I get if you see any other graphs where we are existing, only in US it's showing we have only business in US. Okay, for that purpose, we use the maps. So we can show the one thing we can do. Control flexible. So, so slowly, pie diagram as well. So taking the legends and into the doors. Like in maps, what we are doing, this is the advanced zone. So we are creating a pie diagram in the maps itself. So in America, what are the categories are there? So it's having technology, the profit is like this. So what here office supplies. Okay, this is the profit. Furniture. So very less furniture business is in US. So we can expand furniture business in US like that it shows. So this is map plus the pie chart within the map. Okay, like that you can create. So just you need to drag the options where you can go and what you can create. This map. And if you go to the map settings, whatever you want, area, the line, is no, whatever you feel like for your background, whatever your theme is there, according to that, you need to select this. Any questions on this? Maps. Next one to this. Next, is we go to the gate chart. What this gate chart is? Of course, you want to say something? Gate chart is what? To check whether the monthly target is completed by each of the employee or not. Like how much productive you are. So suppose you're in sales department, we have like for every month there should be 100 product sales should be done by each of the employee. In that case, we need to use this gauge chart. For example, here we need to create that tables. It's a table the tables and let's say table one, table two, table three, okay, so right. Okay, here is there. Okay, marks is 10, table 2 is 60. So just we'll take this example as roll number one. His name is A, and his target is to get 60%, 60 marks, but he got only 10. So what's the 10 bits? The table name is settle. From master table, it's it's 300. Okay. But here we need to filter. So, 10 marks, 60 marks. I've got 10. We want, he should get 60 marks. But of how much he has got, only 10 marks he has got in the exam. So it shows the percentage of that. So how much percent we have completed our task. like how much development is completed. On that basis, can see here. For 60 years compared only 10% of whatever the product is. Suppose we take as this, not as marks, but as 60 tasks. Out of 60 tasks, he has completed only 10 tasks only. So his product is very less. So we need to work more, we should get more trainings, it should be guided. Like that, this is a gauge chart. Okay? Like speed. In our vehicle, two-wheeler or four-wheeler, zero speed, if still of 40 shows green, then 42, suppose 80 shows yellow, and from above 80 shows red. Why? So it's indicate like till 40 you can, it's normal. When above 40, it's like there is some risk, so be careful. And red means don't go beyond that because it might cause anything, accident or anything will happen. So be careful. Like that indicators we should, if it is good or bad or what is there. Hello, it's not good. It's red. We can target color should be suppose green. Once target will be killed, then it will give the target here as well. Got it? Any questions on this? It's really comfortable. Just decomposing tree. What is decomposing tree chart? It shows the hierarchy, like tree. Hierarchy how we see country, then state, city, like that. It shows the decomposition. Just want to suppose check it. And after category, what is subcategory? Subcategory. Then we want to see after subcategory. In subcategory, what are the products are there? You can put product again. Then you can do first revisions. Once you see categories there, the plus option is goes. You need to split categories into out. You see. Subcategory you need to split, product name you want to split or region wise. If you have one region wise split. So the categories are split here. And invest categories, again I want to split it. Click on your category product name what? Split in category. Invest this much categories actually. Okay. It expands. Now I'll use the south. I want central. Just click on that. It will show like that. Click on east. Now it changes no here it shows east and west like that. West. Now in blinders also. What you want to see? Product name. What other products are there? Choose on the product names. What are products? How much is it? Now search your blinders. Now I want to see chairs. What are the chair products are there? Invest region. Okay, these are the chair products. Okay. Then central. East. How much this is are there? So this is mostly used for the organization structure. Like this is the CEO, then MD, then what are the director names? In directors, what are the verticals comes, and each verticals how many managers, employee, and everything. Like that we can. How you add here, it will go like that. Product name, And suppose you want segment, you can add segment. Balance it. Corporate consumer layer. You know what we have? Consumer corporate. Consumer corporate. Consumer corporate. Home office. We have three out there. I want to go to south. Only corporate is there. There's no. Okay, any questions still here for today's charts?
So on cards,